War of metaverses is on. There are huge bets from companies like Meta, Facebook, or things like Decentraland, Sandbox building their own metaverses, and each one of those are trying to grab attention, trying to spin off their own blockchains, NFTs, and stuff like that. And also, there are other newcomers to the field, and I'm going to talk about one of those in this video. So, Overline is this idea of people coming from more of the traditional world, more from the media side, and they're trying to build this hyper scalable metaverse together with proof of work blockchain that you can mine using either your computer or a special router. So, first of all, you can claim their NFTs for free. The window for claiming is 27 days right now as of recording of this video, so a little bit less than a month, and the reveal should be in a couple of months, I guess, in the end. And basically, they advertise themselves as the biggest metaverse in a building right now. So what they're doing is they want to have as many people as possible joining in. You can sign up with your email just to claim your free NFT. I will also give you a link down below, which will be a referral. If you use that, you'll get a land next to mine, so that's fun. There's a bunch of articles coming from either Bloomberg, CoinDesk about who they are and what they're doing, because actually the founder of the company is running borderless services, and they actually made a bid to buy Forbes. So this is pretty interesting. They have, so as I said, they have this media background, and it's super interesting to see what they're trying to do here. So Overline is on. They have this comparison with other metaverses like Decentraland, Sandbox, Other Side, with some numbers comparing to like how they are the biggest. Well, probably it's fair to compare once you launch everything, because already Decentraland and Sandbox are already running. Other Side is in beta. That's coming from the Yuga Labs, creators of Bored Ape Yacht Club. But generally, yeah, you can claim all land, just basically signing in with your email, as I said. And the idea is that the plot that you're getting, the NFT that you're getting, will be able to generate you a passive income, some kind of a tokens. There are two types of tokens, I guess, in the end. If you go to Overline, the one is emblems, the other is Overline. You can already, I guess, trade emblems on FTX. I'm not sure Overline is launched or not, the token. And then there's a bunch of things you can start doing right now if you're more on the developer side, like you can start mining, but also there's this cool idea of having a router. So I think that the whole idea is that you'll be able to access crypto NFTs, DeFi, without having access to the internet or any kind of connection whatsoever, which is really cool. But they have these routers that you'll be able to buy and basically connect just to the Overline network to some extent. I like the idea in the end, like it's something new, it's something interesting. I don't know how it will work in the end. The idea is, I think this is also some kind of a mining device at the same time that will be able to generate for you a passive income. You are able, so once you start logging in with Overline, you'll be able to actually buy their routers, pre-order actually the routers. They will probably sending it out in a couple of months. And yeah, that will be wireless Web3 connection, secure communication, and decentralized trading. So this is pretty interesting. This is how it looks in the end. Super cool, small device. I'll be definitely observing like how it goes and how it will work in the end. But the whole idea is pretty cool. So running on I think their own software, the compatibility with iOS and Android. So that's pretty cool. Also, there's the whole ecosystem of Overline. So they're trying to build apps on top of Overline network, like with any blockchain. So basically cross-chain swaps, bridges, different apps both on the device and desktop, chat app. So this is pretty interesting because they want to spin off the social network purely based on their own blockchain. So generally speaking, they're doing pretty interesting stuff, and judging by the you know, like you can promise anything, of course, but judging by the background of the founders and what they did previously, actually this might have a chance to work in the end. So it's definitely worth observing. And as I said, because you can claim the land for free, just leaving the email, you should definitely try doing that, because there's no downside, I guess, to it. Well, maybe, I don't know. Probably there's none. I don't think there is any. So if you just leave the email address, then that's it. You'll be able to log in, see your land, and then see what's coming next, which is pretty interesting. I will leave also the link down below to the social networks, like I think they're active on Twitter, on Discord, and in general it's pretty interesting to watch it. If you're into metaverses, if you want to get more about this kind of stuff, then definitely check Overline. And subscribe to the channel, leave a like down below, and see you in the next episode.